Hello everyone and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura and today I will be making Moonlit Path Soap. I'm going to be layering a few different colors and you'll get to see as I make it. That's me putting in the lye water into the oils, and I'm just going to blend this up a little bit and get everything mixed together. I'm going to try not to over mix it because I want to be able to make more than one color and not have it get too thick. That's the fragrance oil going in. This smells really nice. It's like a violet and lavender and a musk together. It smells really, really nice. It's a very unique fragrance. And I'm just whisking it in because of the florals. I wasn't sure if it would accelerate, and I wanted this batter to stay as fluid as possible. So now I'm going to pour it off into roughly equal portions. There's going to be 3 colors in total. I'm going to make a light and dark purple and also a yellow. And I have these little cups that I mix the colors in. The cups are biodegradable. And I just use these little spatulas to get out as much of the color as I can. I mix the colors with a little bit of oil to help them mix into the soap better. And then the second one is the light purple. And then in this last one, I'm putting in yellow. This is to represent the moonlit path. And I'm just going to mix these together. I want to make sure the color is very well dispersed. And then the light purple. And then the dark purple. I was hoping this would look like the night sky. And what I'm going to do is put these 2 colors into the same pot with this darker purple. And then I'm going to pour it into the mold. It's going to be a little bit like some of the other ones where I made narrow layers. And you'll see me do that here. The reason I went with this method is because I wanted the yellow to look like a path. I wanted it to have streaks of yellow going through as if it were a path. I'm just adding a little bit extra on top. And I'm going to swirl this. I will also add some gold highlight to the top. Part of the reason for putting the gold color on top is to have it represent the moon. And I really do like how this came out in the end. So I'm putting some of the gold on top. I'm just drizzling it on, and then I'm going to just draw random designs in the top. If you have any suggestions or opinions about what soaps you'd like to see me make, definitely leave a comment and let me know what you'd like to see next. And this is a close-up of the soap with the gold on the top. then we're back to cut it the next day. You can see the gold is very pretty and metallic, and you can see the layers and swirls of the purples and the gold. I will be making this soap available on December 1st. You can see it in my Etsy shop. I'll make sure to leave a link below. And here's the first bar. You can see how we have the very wispy thin layers of the purples and the gold. It came out really, really nice. I was so happy with it. I think it looks very feathery and elegant. And I like the different colored purples. And this is the last bar. And these are the end pieces. And then here's some pictures that I'll include at the end. Thank you very much for watching. Please consider giving this video a like and subscribing. And have a great day. I post every Monday and Thursday.